In 1887, Olin J. Garlock founded Garlock Sealing Technologies in Palmyra, New York. The company specialized in the manufacture of gaskets, tape, packing materials, and sealing rods for steam engines. Starting in about 1907, Garlock began incorporating asbestos lining into its products. By the 1940s, its products were being used in some U.S. Navy ships and submarines due to increased production during World War II. At one point, Garlock was considered the largest domestic manufacturer of packing materials. In 1976, Garlock Sealing Technologies was purchased by Colt Industries. This purchase steered Garlock slowly away from the asbestos industry, and it reportedly stopped using the dangerous mineral in its products in 1980. In 1987, the company acquired Anchor Packing Company, which came with its own history of asbestos use and asbestos injury claims that were inherited by Garlock. In 2002, Garlock was purchased by Enpro Industries, Inc. Factory workers that manufactured Garlock products were the first in line at risk of developing asbestos-related diseases, but the risk did not stop there. Military and civilian shipbuilders, pipe fitters, engine room workers, construction workers, and many others were also at risk of exposure from Garlock products. In June of 2010, the company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. In its petition, the company stated that it was overwhelmed by the financial and institutional costs of defending and resolving tens of thousands of asbestos claims. In 2018, the Garlock created the Garlock Settlement Facility under its Chapter 11 plan of reorganization and began accepting claims in that September. The trust developed a structure for payment using 5 different contact groups to categorize asbestos injuries based on how likely or unlikely a potential claimant was to be exposed to asbestos from packing materials specifically. Then it set a maximum settlement value for each type of asbestos injury within those 5 groups. According to its annual financial report, 16,508 claims were filed with the trust. Of those, about 6,200 were for mesothelioma or lung cancer, and the remaining 10,000 were for other asbestos-related injuries. In 2022, the trust paid out over $40 million in claim settlements. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.